Hey guys, welcome back to Bravey Goat. Today we're going to be cooking a nice cob loaf on the Weber. It's sometimes nice to let your kids do it, so sit back, chillax and have a blackfish. Cheers, let's get into it. Alright, and here with my 3 kids we're going to cut up the 3 rashers of bacon. I like the fatty stuff like the big boy I am. So let's get into it, guys. Guys, we're on camera. Say g'day.
G'day.
Start cutting up the bacon. Alright, we're gonna finish cutting up the bacon. Come back when it's done. To tell the truth, I have had some few beers, but I'm not gonna leave the gas to the children. Don't trust them. So we're just going to keep stirring it till it's nice and brown and then see when it's done. So here we are left with the lovely golden brown bacon. Might just gobble it up myself. Now we're just going to transfer it. We've got some cream cheese, we've got some sour cream, and we've got some shredded cheese and that we're all going to add into the bacon mix. These are the 2 kids I found on the street and we're just going to let them help. Alright, go ahead, guys.
Okay. Ah!
3 hours later.
We just added some cheese in. Now we're going to mix it in.
1 eternity later.
We're going to cut a nice big circle on the bread so we can get that lovely filling that we've all been waiting for. Or maybe it's just me. So this is what we're left with. And this is the big pile of bread we have for the kids to tear up and dip in. Alright, now we're going to tip this into the lovely bread and we're going to put it in the oven. Here we have the cooked bread and the cooked cob loaf. Like and subscribe! Woo!